Hello students, welcome to SP classes of class 10. Today let's see our second question from our exercise 8.2. What they have given in the second question. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So here tan 30 value what we are having, that is 1 by root 3. So here substitute that one, tan 30 value 1 by root 3, and here 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. To solve this one, now let's see, 2 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. It will be 2 by root 3 and here down 4 by 3. So for this again take 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. 2 ones are 2 2s are cancel, and this root 3, in this 3 we are having root 3 and root 3, 2 root 3s are there. So one root 3 we have cutted and one more root 3 it's there as it is. So root 3 by 2. This root 3 by 2 is which value? For which value we are getting root 3 by 2? Sin 60. Check this, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. So here our first option is correct. But still, even though you check another things also, cos 60 that is 1 by 2, it's not possible. Tan 60 that is root 3, it's also not possible. And sin 30 it is 1 by 2. So obviously our answer is sin 60. Option A is correct. Okay. In the second question, that is 1 minus tan square 45 degree 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So here this thing, tan 45 degree is 1 minus 1 square 1 plus 1 whole square. It will be 1 minus 1 and here 1 plus 1. So it is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 means 0. So this answer will be tan 90 is 1 by 0, that is infinity. 1 is 1. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So 0 is 0. So option fourth one, option 40 is our answer. Next one, for the third one, what is there? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to what? By getting a, how this will be true? For suppose take a is equal to 0. So for that, sin 2a to 0 is equal to 2 sin 0. So here 2 into 0, that is sin 0 is 0, and here sin 0 value is 0. So 2 into 0, it is obviously 0 is equal to 0. So in this case, at when this first option a is 0 degree, so a is equal to 0. So the first option is correct. Remaining all we won't get equal to these things. In the fourth question, what we are having here, that is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Okay. For this, what they have told is equal to, so it's also equal to first question type only, 2 1 by root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, this thing we all know here. So from this table only we are getting all these things. 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So here 2 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. This is obviously 2 by 2 root 3 and 2 by 3. So for this again do the calculation, 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. So this 2 cancel, and this one root 3 is equal to root 3. So your answer will be root 3. Root 3 at which place we are getting this root 3? Tan 60 is equal to root 3, because see the options here, sin, cos, tan, sin is there. In sin, for sin and cos we are not at all getting root 3 things, only root 3 we are not getting. So obviously tan 60 we are having, that is our option C. Okay. I hope you understood this question. Now let's see our next question, third question, that is, in our third question, what is there? What they have given? Tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, 0, a plus b is not equal to 0. Here a is greater than b and we have to find the a and b value. So they have given two things here and we have to find out a value and b value. So for this, first let's take, suppose just we are taking tan 60 is root 3. Okay. So for by this for only root 3, for this we are telling. So a plus b is equal to root 3. This one we can tell. Okay. This is equation 1. And here how, in which time we are getting tan 30 value we are getting as 1 by root 3. So here a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. This is our second equation. From these two equations, by the elimination method, we will solve this one. A plus b is equal to root 3, 60 degree, and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So to solve this one, this b cancel. 2a is equal to its 90 degree. So a is equal to its 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. So put this one in the first equation, that is a plus a means 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. So here b is equal to 60 minus 45, it is 15 degree. So b is equal to 15 degree. We got a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. In the next question number 5, state whether the following are true or false, justify your answer. So here they have given few questions. So first thing they have given, sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. We have to prove this statement is true or false. They have given few more statements and we have to prove that they are true or false. So suppose we are not having anything. So in the place of a, let's take 30 degree. In the place of b, we are taking 60 degree. So sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degree. So sin 90 degree here we are getting, and sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, and sin 30 value is we are having 1 by 2. So by taking the LCM, 1 plus root 3 by 2 we are having. So this is obviously not equal. So this sin a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. This is false. By saying this only, but just we are solving this one with the correct verification. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. So value of sin theta increases. So it is increasing from 0 to up to 1. So it is true. Our second statement is true here. Okay. Next, third one, what they have given? The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So the value of cos theta increases as if from 0 it is starting, from at the 0 degree it's starting, it's 1, and at the end 90 degree it's getting 0. So it is decreasing. So our third one is false. Now let's see our fourth one. What is that? See, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Here sin theta is equal to cos theta. So sin theta is equal to cos theta is the same, equal in this only 45 degree only. Remaining all it is interchanging. So for all value he is telling. So for all value it is false. So next our fourth one is also false. Now let's see our fifth one. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. See, cot A they have given not defined. not defined. Okay, here a is equal to jar 0. So cot 0 value what we are having, cot 0 is infinity, that is not defined, so it is true. This completed our exercise 8.2. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. If you want some, I will give complete course of your textbook. So subscribe my channel and share it. I hope you all understood. Then do like for it. Thank you.